Hi, this is Holly, the creator of the powerful Mindfinity Expressions artwork. Thank you for watching this quick video about my new personal growth artwork. I would like to share this beautiful new piece with you. This one will bring so much growth into your life when you gaze at the image for just 68 seconds and feel the courage within to experience exponential growth in your life. There are 5 key moving parts that create the powerful energy of each piece of artwork. For my personal growth piece, the first key element is the centerpiece. For this piece of artwork, I intuitively chose a green apatite crystal surrounded by 4 beautiful swallowtail butterflies. Butterflies are powerful spirit animals that bring a transformational experience to a higher dimension and perspective, bringing you growth and new beginnings, connecting you back to nature. Butterflies symbolize the divinely exotic and feminine energies and are symbols of transformation, change, and rebirth. The second key element is the unique combination of crystals, which creates a special overall meaning for this specific art piece. We have a combination of green aventurine, rainbow moonstone, clear quartz, turquoise, carnelian, blue apatite, amazonite, hematite, pyrite, and black tourmaline. The third key element is the color and associated chakras. The overall energy of this piece, due to the color green, brings a feeling of abundance and love. Green is the color of the heart chakra, symbolizing love to others, forgiveness, compassion, warmth, sharing, sincerity, and devotion. The heart chakra also affects your heartfelt emotions and relationships. Green symbolizes nature, renewal, growth, fertility, and emotions. It also symbolizes financial abundance and security. Green is the color of trust. Black is associated with the root chakra, which helps to ground your energy. The fourth key element is the sacred geometry pattern. This piece has a square and an X shape and represents the power of 4. The number 4 is believed to be a perfect number by the Pythagoreans. The number 4 represents stability, order, conscientiousness, and determination. Everything is made up of the 4 elements: earth, water, air, and fire. And the fifth and final element is the overall energy of this piece, which creates a powerful manifestation portal for your personal growth. This piece contains a powerful pyramid portal, which is a sacred geometrical shape that collects energy from the universe and centers it down to us through the apex. Since ancient times, the 4 sloping sides of the pyramid have been found to attract powerful bioenergy forces that can help in healing. The Egyptians viewed the pyramid as a spiritual symbol because it connects electromagnetic energy surrounding the Earth with its stars and other planets. Are you feeling the personal power of this piece? I hope so. I hope this explanation gives you a sense of the powerful energy of this beautiful artwork. This unique piece is one of a kind, and if you want to enjoy the benefits on a regular basis, you won't want to pass up the opportunity to own this one. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video where I will explain another unique piece of art that will blow you away with its magnetic energy.